Good morning. This is Dave with King Tires and Service, doing some rear brakes on the Buick Verano with the electric parking brake. Don't let things that scares you out of this one. It's not like the European where you gotta have a computer and all of that to retract your parking brake. So this one is pretty simple, like your old ways. I figured I'd post this one because I ran into so many European Audis and BMWs and Land Rover and all of that, Range Rover. You gotta use the computer to retract that electric parking brake. But this one's pretty simple. All it is, you just do your typical, take the wheel off and take the, let me put the light. You take your 10 millimeter right here, and then you just back this caliper off right here a little bit, okay? And before that, sorry about that, you got like a Torx bit right here for the line. I don't know if you can see where my hands is. A little 10 Torx bits right here that you got to take off, or to give you more room to release this brake hose back to the back. And once you do that, it'd be like a door. You just open it up and close it. So, and you can use your typical little bad boy right here to retract them back if you know how to use this thing, and you're good to go. And if you want to change the rotor, you just do the same thing. After you take that one, you take the bracket of 15 and a 15 and take the whole piece out, let it hang out, and then do your thing. Okie doke, we'll talk to y'all later on. Thank you for watching.